Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to vote on a DAO proposal in OpenBook. Proposals often start as a discussion in the community. For DAOForum, that's the forum at DAOForum.org, where members debate a proposal before it goes to a vote. When you're ready to cast your vote, follow the link through to OpenBook. This is the proposal page. Before voting, take a moment to read it. On the left, you'll see the result details and the full description, the TLDR, the summary, the specification table, and the exact on-chain actions that will run if it passes. On the right, the current votes and the proposal status, including whether voting is open. Make sure you understand what you're approving before you decide.
To vote, we first need to connect a wallet. Click Connect Wallet and choose NYKNYC if you don't have a wallet of your choice. Review the permissions. It can view your address and request signatures, but it can never move funds without your approval. And we're connected. Now click Vote to open the Cast Your Vote panel. You have three choices: for, against, or abstain. You can also leave an optional comment to explain your decision to the rest of the community. We'll vote for. If your wallet is on a different network, don't worry. OpenBook switches it automatically when you submit. Click Submit Vote, confirm with your passkey to sign the transaction, and wait a few seconds for it to be confirmed on-chain. And there it is. Your vote is recorded. The current votes update instantly, and you'll see your choice reflected in the interface. Every vote is on-chain, so the result is fully transparent and verifiable by anyone. That's how you vote on a proposal in OpenBook.